Good day again. Here we're gonna jump on to the experiment number 7 is the OR gate. So how OR gate works? If you have two inputs 0 0, the output will still remain low or 0. If you have 1, output is high, it will automatically, if you have input if you have an input 1, if you have input 1 in both A and B input, it will automatically have an output of 1. So for example, if input A is 0 and input B is 0, the output will be 0. If input A is 1 and input B is 0, the output will be 1. So another example, if your input is 1 and output is 1, your input A is 1. What I mean is input A is 1, input B is 1, the output will be 1. So here we have our materials needed, our breadboard experimenter that we make, then our IC, the 74LS32 or the OR gate. Then we have some here, the solid wires. So let's begin. So in this experiment, we're gonna build an 4 input or OR gate IC. The D0 of the switch is connected to the gate 1. So the gate number 1 of the IC is pin 1, pin 2, and the output is pin 3. So we're gonna connect D0 of the switch to the pin 1 of the IC. Next, we're gonna connect the D2 to the pin 2 of the IC. Let's begin. Next, the output of the gate 1 will be connected to LED 1. And in the same time, LED 1 will also be connected, pin 3 of the IC will also be connected to pin 4 of the IC, of our IC. Now we're gonna connect both. So the output of the gate 1 is connected to the pin 4 or the gate 2 of our IC, of our gate. So next, the pin 5 of the IC will be connected to D2 of our switch. D2 of our switch. So here. And the output will be connected to LED 2 Now, the output of gate 2 is connected also to the pin 9. So, what I mean is the pin 6 or the output of gate 2 will be connected also to the input of the gate 3. So, pin 6 and pin 9 are connected. Then, the pin 10 is connected to our D3 switch. And the output of the gate 3 or the pin 8 is connected to the LED 3. Now let's proceed to the last gate or the number 4 gate. So the same as usual, the output of the gate 3 or the pin 8 will be connected to the input of the gate 4, or in the other way around, we say that pin 8 is connected to pin 12. They share the same connections. And last, the input 2 of the gate 4, or what I mean, the gate 4 of the IC pin 13 is connected to D4 of the switch. And the output of gate 4 will be connected to the LED 4. So let's gonna check if we are correct. So our D0 of the switch will be connected to the pin 1 of the IC, and D1 of our switch will be connected to the pin 2 of the IC, and the output is connected to LED 1. Correct. And pin 3 and 4 have share the same connections. Then 5 connected to D2. Correct. And the output pin 6 is connected to the LED 2. So 6 and 9 have share the same connections. And pin 10 is connected, pin 9 is connected to D4, D3, what I mean. Correct. And the output 8 is connected to LED 3, and pin 8 and pin 12 have the same connection, share the same connections. Correct. And pin 13 is connected to D4. Correct. And the output 11 is connected to LED 4. So right now, we're gonna test if our theory is correct. Our power source is connected to the negative rail, and our positive, or the 5 volts power, is connected to the positive rail. So let's try. If we on pin 1, 4 LED is connected. That means correct. You see, 4 LED is correct because when the D0 switch the D0 of the switch is on, the output will be in the gate 1 is 1 0. The input will be 1 and 0. So it will suffice the logic of the OR gate. If there's one input is high, the output will also high. So this in the gate 1, the output is 1. So the LED 1 is high. So when we the output, so 3 or 4, pin 3 and 4, the IC is share connection. It will also high, and 6 and 9 of the pin 6 of 9 of the IC have the share connection, and 8 and 12. Because of that, this suffice the logic of the 74LS32 or the OR gate. If there is one high input, it will automatically have and output of high or 1. Next, gonna so on the switch 2, and also be the same when we switch to D3 or D2 of switch, there is 3 only LED on, because when the D2 of the switch on, it will suffice the logic of D3. It will suffice the logic of five will be high, so LED 2 will be high, because 6 and 9 also have shared connection, and 8 and 12 have shared connection. Both LED 2, 3, and 4 will be automatically high. So when we set D4 high, there will be 2 LEDs on, because eight and 12 have the same connection. So when we switch the D3 into high, pin 10 will be sent to be high output, and 9 will be low. So that's why our output when we on the D3 is 0011. The LED 3 and 4 is on. When we switch high the D5, the LED 4 will be the one, the LED 5 will be the one to light up. Because it suffices the logic. And that's it. That is the OR gate